Happy Sunday, everyone!
Happy Sunday! Dapat kasi. Happy Sunday, guys! Magsisimba tayo. Ganon! Para may energy.
O, ikaw.
Antok ka ba? Good morning, guys! Kailangan kalmado lang pala tayo ngayon kasi nakita mo yung weather. Kalma siya. Huwag natin pangunahan. So, yung mga naingayan nung huli kong good morning sa'yo. Oh, ito na yung gusto ninyo. Good morning. Good morning, guys! Happy Sunday!
Very not you.
Tayo ay magsisimba. So, let's go. Samahan nyo kami. Diba?
Oh, sige. Yung normal.
Good morning, guys! Happy Sunday! First Sunday of the month. Kaya tayo ay magsisimba. Let's go!
Tapos na yung mass. Sobrang init. Almost 2 hours kami nasa labas. Beb. Yes. Wala na rin siya energy. Peace be with you guys.
Peace be with you.
Hindi, wala kang payong. Wala kang payong kasi hindi ka.
Rose.
Net. Lakas makapanghina nung araw. Grabe, kala namin magpapass out kami para wala pa kaming kain. Wala kang energy. Ito yung wala akong energy. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan. Okay, nakarating na rin kami. Nakain na yan.
So guys, I have my burrito bowl. This is my lunch. And as you can tell, I don't have energy. Right? So I cannot greet you good morning, good afternoon. Wait until I eat this. And we'll talk later.
Nag-English.
Ay, oo nga, ba't tayo nag-English na eh? Kain muna ako bago tayo mag-usap kasi wala.
Time.
This is for our very own charm. This is for Mama Mary.
Yes. Our very own. meron bang ano?
Our very own. Siyempre may ibang charm eh.
Ganun ba? Our very own charm.
Oo, diba? So, and then, while we were... Ito na nga. Dumating na yung panlilibre niya. Oh,
Thank you so much.
thank you so much, Reb. You're the
welcome.
best.
Uy! Ano ba? Niloko na
Kailangan-
baby boy na to. Kailangan mo.
7 pieces pa.
Oo, busong. Chippy. Chippy. Saka muna ha. Okay, so after maglinis ng hamster house, ito naman siya. Mag-events business na daw kasi kami.